Are you gonna have me trying to desperately open these boxes on? Okay.
All right, what do we have? Awesome. Drone.
Zipper earphones. It looks like a zipper, yeah. If you're really into the zipper aesthetic, it's headphones, but it's a zipper.
Oh, a speaker.
Bluetooth mode.
And then
AUX mode.
a British voice, that's always good. Put it right next to the bathroom, listen to your jam.
Cool. Ooh, heavier box. Oh! You can always use your giant handset.
These are cool though. So I'm assuming that you like, wait, it's got a button. What does that button do? Oh, I bet you're still like answering. Well, it's a case. Oh, yes! A fidget spinner, yay! Wait a minute. It makes a noise. Wait a minute, why does it make that noise? That tugs on my heartstrings. That's awesome.